Hello guys, welcome to Love is Vacation YouTube's channel. Now I want to give you information about 5 best beach resorts in Turkey. Number 5 Club Belcekiz Beach Hotel. The Club Belcekiz Beach Hotel in Oludeniz is like a rainbow at night, with colored lights to be found everywhere from the dance floor to poolside throughout the resort. The resort boasts a peaceful garden setting, with guest rooms that have pool, mountain or garden views. The Club Belcekiz Beach Hotel has 4 restaurants, including one that serves buffet style, as well as 5 bars and a nightclub with DJ nights. Free parking is available on site. Number 4 D Hotel Marez. Besides offering pools overlooking the waterfront, the D Hotel Marez is a great place to go scuba diving and snorkeling. Landlubbers will enjoy being close to hiking and biking trails, or they may choose to go horseback riding in the hills surrounding the D Hotel. The Marmaris Dolphin Area Aquapark and Aqua Dream Water Park are also nearby. Air-conditioned guest rooms are simply but tastefully decorated and offer safes large enough to hold laptops. The resort also has 4 restaurants and a full-service spa. Free Wi-Fi access is located throughout the resort. Number 3 Calista Luxury Resort. The Calista Luxury Resort may be located an hour from the Antalya airport, but its amenities more than make up for the drive. An all-inclusive beach resort, the property offers 5 tennis courts that are lit for night playing, soccer fields and a huge spa that offers a variety of relaxing treatments. Golfers will appreciate the 10 courses located within a 4-mile radius. Dining here could be a challenge, however, as the resort has 10 restaurants serving a variety of international cuisines. Number 2 Bartla Lara. The Bartla Lara Resort Spa and Suites is showcased in an awesome setting, ocean views and carefully tended green gardens. But this beachfront property, located 10 kilometers, 6 miles, from Antalya Airport, offers much more. Guests can lounge by the beach, swim in indoor and outdoor pools, visit the spa or have a Turkish bath. With a well-equipped fitness room for more active guests as well as a playroom for children, this is one of the best beach resorts in Turkey. Number 1 Delphin Diva Premier. Located just 9 miles from downtown Antalya, the Delphin Diva Premier offers plenty of activities to keep people at this luxury beachfront resort. Guests can frolic on the private beach or swim in a pool with its own waterslide. There's also a tennis court and bowling alley for more active guests, who can dine in one of several international cuisine restaurants in between. All rooms have private balconies. Free parking is available for guests who arrive in their own car. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.